Welcome this video incomprehensive architecture high door have elevate to screen purple wild security remain a Promax modern homeowner also use theme to maximize space and enhance interior design. Static appear. High door add an element of supplement and simplification to any space. Make a popular choice for brooking and interior design. Hide storage, cabin and choose help main interest. A minimalizes a static by keep cut out of sun room whether from a home often lab or entertainment room door cut provide within the house design. The affordable of a hide door line in its seamless interior with the surrounding entertainment design elevate technology to architect this as such fit install door set live with the wall shade and gum technology have also hide door automate softening not allow door to open with biometric screen remote control or voice command. Those innovation cabin traditional with modern created home sound height door for those project create a hide door can be both challenge and reward. This process innovation plan select the location those are both the purpose and structure of the hide door framework. Build a story frame that can support it. Divide for the door while main entrance. Use material like wood panel, wallpaper, or matron to the door with its surrounding. Choose benefit additional height softening on the door's effect and for use. Mean homeowner other to convince explode broadcast or install should wall architect or hide door effect. Valve door project request careful plan and then often a unique opportunity to personalization. One living space popular hide door. Hide door have Promax place in popular there alone. From the remote broadcast